My first project in retirement was to update 50-year-old kitchen cabinets by installing modern slide-out shelving. The kit contained a shelf, 2 slides, and a pack of screws. I joined the 2 halves of the shelf like so, kept the tabs on the outside, and used the machine screws to secure the 2 halves together. The labels mark the locations to place the slider clips. I firmly pressed down to snap them into place, and the shelf was ready for installation. I ran into an issue with the fixed wood shelf not giving me enough space to fit my cordless drill. So I had to go old school with a plain Phillips screwdriver. My forearms were burning after screwing in all 8 screws. But the results were worth it. I installed a second slide-out shelf, as well as a third and fourth, which were installed on adjustable shelves. I added wood blocks at the rear to hold the shelf from lifting, and under the front edges for extra support. Happy wife, happy life.